everyone, welcome to my channel Angie's Craft House. Our today's learning is about how to create a basic French beaded continuous loop. If you want to make a gorgeous flowers, petals, sepals or stamens like this without wasting wire, this one wire construction method is exactly what you need to learn. So let's get started. Today I am using spool of 25 gauge copper core wire and size 11 beads. Let's get started by stringing a few inches of beads onto your spool first. I have already stringed the beads for today's video. To start our unit, we need to leave about 3 to 4 inches tail of wire. Here, I want to create 3 centimeter long petal. So, I am going to use 6 centimeters of beads. I will measure my beads using a ruler. Hold the beads tightly on both the ends using your pointer finger and thumb finger. Now, twist the loop for 2 times. And that's it. Our first petal is ready. For the second one, I will leave about 1 centimeter wire and start measuring 6 centimeter beads for the next petal. You can adjust the gap between two petals according to your requirement. Continue the same steps for the rest of the petals. Here, if you wanted your petals short or long, then you may need to adjust the bead's length for the petal as per your need. Here I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 petals. Once you have all your loops ready, it's time to bring them together. Shape your row of loops into a circle so the first loop meets the last one. To lock everything into place, take your one end and wrap it once around the base of that very first loop of the other end. This will close our flower unit tightly. You can use this unit in making multi-layered petals, simple daisies, sunflowers, sepals, or stamens without wasting wire or creating a bulky stems. If you find this interesting and helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more such videos. And don't forget to check out my other videos on basic French beaded petal making. Let me know in the comment what flower you are creating next. Happy crafting!